Get ready for the Olympics. Let's get started. Athlete. Athlete. Examples. It's every athlete's dream to compete in the Olympic Games. It's every athlete's dream to compete in the Olympic Games. Athletes upgrade their skills persistently to qualify themselves for the Olympic Games. Athletes upgrade their skills persistently to qualify themselves for the Olympic Games. Commentator. Commentator. Examples. To be eligible for the commentator. He or she should have prior experience in sports commentary. To be eligible for the commentator. He or she should have prior experience in sports commentary. It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to be the commentator of the Olympic Games. It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to be the commentator of the Olympic Games. Contestant. Contestant. Examples. In the Olympic Games, the contestants come from all over the world while supporting the spirit of fair competition. In the Olympic Games, the contestants come from all over the world while supporting the spirit of fair competition. Contestants, demonstrating fighting spirit, strive to win the medals in the Olympic Games. Contestants, demonstrating fighting spirit, strive to win the medals in the Olympic Games. Ceremony. Ceremony. Examples. The opening ceremony of the coming Olympic Games will take place on the famous Seine River of Paris. The opening ceremony of the coming Olympic Games will take place on the famous Seine River of Paris. One of the most memorable parts of the opening ceremony is the way of lighting the Olympic flame. One of the most memorable parts of the opening ceremony is the way of lighting the Olympic flame. Equality. Equality. Examples. Everyone competes in the Olympic Games under the same conditions. It's the principle of equality. Everyone competes in the Olympic Games under the same conditions. It's the principle of equality. Promoting women's involvement in sports is the advocate for gender equality from the Olympic Games. Promoting women's involvement in sports is the advocate for gender equality from the Olympic Games. Hospitality. Hospitality. Examples. If you plan to buy tickets of the Olympic Games, you can consider hospitality or travel packages. If you plan to buy tickets of the Olympic Games, you can consider hospitality or travel packages. In addition to tickets and accommodation. Hospitality package covers hospitality experience, for example, invitation to a private venue and custom tours. In addition to tickets and accommodation. Hospitality package covers hospitality experience, for example, invitation to a private venue and custom tours. Medalist. Medalist. Examples. It's a dream for every athlete to be the medalist in the Olympic Games. It's a dream for every athlete to be the medalist in the Olympic Games. No matter of the prize of gold, silver, or bronze. Contestant is proud to be the medalist in swimming. No matter of the prize of gold, silver, or bronze. Contestant is proud to be the medalist in swimming. Mascot. Mascot. Examples. The official mascot of the coming Olympic Games is a hat, which is a symbol of French Revolution. The official mascot of the coming Olympic Games is a hat, which is a symbol of French Revolution. Fans of the Olympic Games buy the mascot souvenirs that are highly collectible. Fans of the Olympic Games buy the mascot souvenirs that are highly collectible. Parade. Parade. Examples. During the opening ceremony, athletes will parade on boats by following the course of the Seine River. During the opening ceremony, athletes will parade on boats by following the course of the Seine River. I can't imagine how gorgeous the river parade could be. The view from the parade will be breathtaking. I can't imagine how gorgeous the river parade could be. The view from the parade will be breathtaking. Passionate. Passionate. Examples. People who are passionate about sport can apply for the volunteering program of the Olympic Games. People who are passionate about sport can apply for the volunteering program of the Olympic Games. Volunteers are passionate about the Olympic Games because they can welcome people from around the world and provide support at the venues. Volunteers are passionate about the Olympic Games because they can welcome people from around the world and provide support at the venues. Record. Record. Examples. The champion of the competition has broken both Olympics and world records. The champion of the competition has broken both Olympics and world records. He has broken the world record 3 times over the past 10 years. He has broken the world record 3 times over the past 10 years. Olympic rings. Olympic rings. Examples. The Olympic rings, the official symbol of the Olympic Games, symbolize the union of the 5 continents. The Olympic rings, the official symbol of the Olympic Games, symbolize the union of the 5 continents. The rings have been installed on the Eiffel Tower and will light up the sky during the Olympic Games. The rings have been installed on the Eiffel Tower and will light up the sky during the Olympic Games. Spectator. Spectator. Examples. Spectators will be surprised with the Eiffel Tower wearing the Olympic rings. It would be an astonishing scene. Spectators will be surprised with the Eiffel Tower wearing the Olympic rings. It would be an astonishing scene. There is no admission fee of the opening ceremony for most of the spectators from Paris and all over the world. There is no admission fee of the opening ceremony for most of the spectators from Paris and all over the world. Ticketing. Ticketing. Examples. If you've bought tickets of the Olympic Games, all the digital tickets can be retrieved through the official ticketing application of the Games. If you've bought tickets of the Olympic Games, all the digital tickets can be retrieved through the official ticketing application of the Games. The ticketing mobile application can support the transfer of digital tickets to your friends and the resale of your tickets securely. The ticketing mobile application can support the transfer of digital tickets to your friends and the resale of your tickets securely. Torchbearer. Torchbearer. Examples. The torchbearers selected have the unique experience in carrying the torch on the Olympic Games. The torchbearers selected have the unique experience in carrying the torch on the Olympic Games. Traditionally, the torchbearers run the flame into the Olympic Stadium. The flame's arrival means the start of the Olympic Games very soon. Traditionally, the torchbearers run the flame into the Olympic Stadium. The flame's arrival means the start of the Olympic Games very soon. Victory. Victory. Examples. The team reached new heights again and experienced the joy of victory in the competition. The team reached new heights again and experienced the joy of victory in the competition. The team set a new chapter for sports history and won a victory in the Olympic Games. The team set a new chapter for sports history and won a victory in the Olympic Games.